3 people were killed, including 1 child in Clarksville. 23 others have been treated at the hospital, and a curfew is in effect for the rest of the night. That's where we find News Channel 5's Nikki Hauser. Nikki, tell us what you're seeing there.
Well, Emily, it's quiet now. It's very much a somber note in this neighborhood tonight. Things are not the same, and you can clearly tell that that's the case here. I want to show you this is a mess where it used to be a home. You can see a chunk really of this Clarksville neighborhood just completely missing. Families around here tell us they are shaken, to say the least. You can also see some of the other damage that we came across tonight. Rows of businesses crushed. I talked to a family who owned what was going to be a new gym. Not anymore. That building was totaled. The father of that family and the future owners of that gym told me the moments before he and his family of 5 had to rush into a bathroom to save themselves.
I said, Kate, it is time to go. And excuse me. So anyway, we got to the bathroom, hunkered down, right? She's on top of the babies. Me and him's on top of them. And you know what we done? We prayed. Yeah, excuse me. I thought I could handle this.
He did get a little emotional with me there, but thankfully all of his family members were able to get out of there okay. They are safe now, but of course they and several other families have similar stories. They have to wake up tomorrow morning and try to figure out what's next. In the meantime, if you do live here in Clarksville, you should keep in mind that there is a curfew. It has gone into effect tonight, and there will be another one that goes into effect at 9 p.m. tomorrow. The mayor declared that it's a state of emergency here. They also said here that they are going to be out here working to make sure that everybody is safe, that everybody is okay, and we will of course be out here as well to monitor the situation, give you updates as we have them. Live in Clarksville, I'm Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.
Nikki, thank you. And Clarksville police say a shelter has also been set up for people impacted by the storms. It's located at Northeast High School on Trenton Road. Also, the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office says a temporary shelter has been set up at the Mosaic Church on Garrettsburg Road for any people displaced in that area. And Manna Cafe Ministries has also opened a shelter on D Street in Clarksville.